Hi, I'm Dr. Jonathan Huber. I'm one of the partner surgeons here at Toronto Hair Transplant Surgeons. I'm just finishing up a day of patient consultations today. And again, a very common question that I get asked is a hair transplant permanent? The short answer is that yes, a hair transplant is permanent. And by that I mean, in the hands of a good qualified surgeon, the hair that we move from your permanent donor area, that's the hair at the sides and back of your head, that hair is genetically permanent. It's genetically not susceptible to the same forces that are causing your hair loss. And that's the hair we're moving. When a good surgeon takes that hair and carefully moves it to another part of your head where you need it more, that hair remains genetically not susceptible to the same forces that are causing you to lose hair. So that hair is permanent. Now, what a good surgeon will also do is talk to you about ways to keep the hair you still have, and that's where non-surgical treatments come in, but that's another story. Long story short, is a hair transplant permanent? Yes. In the hands of a good qualified surgeon, a hair transplant is permanent.